I have like a question here. Maybe we'll answer this question later when we are going through. But why is the marketplace datum, why does it have like two of these
Two of them. Yeah. Why does
constructors?
it say it twice?
So
He's
my
got it.
understanding is we are defining a type here. So we use the keyword type and datum is the name of that type. And how do you build this datum type? By using the keyword datum, or you can use any keyword to build this specific type of datum. But if both the keyword and the constructor are the same, then you don't have to retype it twice. You can use the shorthand notation, which looks like this, where the name of the type and the constructor are the exact same word. So multiple constructors for a type. Custom types in Aiken can be defined with multiple constructors, aka variants, making them a way of modeling data that can be one of a few different variants. We have already seen custom types with multiple constructors in the language store like bool or option. Aiken's built-in bool type is defined like this. So a bool can be of the type false or true. And these are not fields, these are both variants. It's a simple custom type with constructors that take no arguments at all. Use it to answer yes or no questions and to indicate whether something is true or false.
So is the true and false are constructors,
Yes.
correct? Yeah.
Yes.
True and false
Constructors
are
are also
constructors,
also always start with capital letters.
just like
Hmm.
our different constructor in our example we're talking about.
Yes. Yes. And this I think is a good
That looks more
example.
like it. Yep,
So
yep.
type, which is named user, has two variants. One with a constructor logged in and it takes a field of username which is of the type byte array. And then there is another variant called guest which does not have any fields.
Yeah.
And this is how they use it. Let user 1 is logged in and you give it the field and the value. User 2 is logged in, field and value, and the last one is a guest. It doesn't take any fields.